back to another video. So I am just down the blind box rabbit hole right now. So this is the second one that I've purchased recently, and it's basically just me wanting to check out some new things that I've never been able to get. I do subscribe to their Discord channel when they do their Nexi sales or get the Nexi boxes. They do those every single month, and I'm never able to get anything. So I don't know if my computer connection is too slow or what the deal is, but everybody always gets everything before I even have a chance to. Like, I'm so far down on the list of claiming stuff, it's ridiculous. So when they came out with this is called a Yafa blind box, and it's like a kind of like cleaning out the attic kind of a thing. I think that's the idea behind it. I thought, well, I don't have to fight with anyone to get this. I have no idea what's in it. It did say something on the website about there being a pen and something else, or types of pens or stationery goodies. I don't know. So I figured I would buy one, give it a shot, see what comes in it, and yeah, and then see if this is something I ever want to do again. So anyways, I'm gonna open it up, get everything going here. Let me just come off here because I've already kind of cut it open, but that's as far as I went, and I took the little receipt out of it so that yeah, it's called the Yafa Vault, Yafa, Y-A-F-A, Vault blind box. So when you open it up, it's quite literally a box. So the rest of this is empty. Yeah. And then this, you get your little Atlas Stationers, and it says thank you. Little handwritten thank you note. That's cute. And then, oh, look at that. Look at that. I got a Monteverdi and Conklin pens in here. This is exciting. I guess this is all you get is pens. I thought there was something other than pens, but I'm actually really excited about this. So the way that they advertised it on the website was basically like these could be anything from pre-releases to demonstrator pens to what do they call them? The ones like when they send stuff in, like the pre-release pens. So you have like a lot of different choices. So this is the Monteverdi Broadway Conklin All-American and the Monteverdi Anniversary Lightning Extra Fine. So this will be interesting. Okay, so let's start with Monteverdi #1. So it has a serial number. It has a very nice box. Look at this. Oh my. A world of luxury and innovation. This will be my first Monteverdi pen. You open. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so girly. I love this. I was kind of worried that I was going to get a bunch of guy pens. And then, oh my, it says limited edition 0000 out of, I don't think that's the number of it, but there's 1,999 of these. Monteverdi 25th anniversary. I think that says Innova Formula M. Look at that. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but even the ring, that black ring around the middle is faceted. Wow. Look at this pen. Oh my goodness. With the M on top. Ooh. Okay, let's open it. I'm very excited about this. I don't know. Like I said, this is my first Monteverdi, so I don't know if they're a push off. Oh, yeah, it's a push off. It's a little stiff, but look at that. This runs all the way through. Oh my goodness. And then this is, I think I read it on the box because I don't know if I can see it on here. This is the extra fine. That's right. It's an extra fine. And I'm not sure who makes it. Is it on there? Nope, just says Monteverdi. So I'm not 100% sure who the maker of the nib is. And since I've never had these before, I can't tell you like what size it is, a number 5, a number 6, anything like that. I probably have to go looking on the website to see. But if I can look it up when I post this video, I'll add it somewhere in here. I'll put what type of a nib it is and what size nib it is. So very beautiful, very stiff. And then I think underneath, yeah, there's a couple of inks in here and some refill instructions. But let's see if on the, I probably shouldn't have done that. Let's see if it comes with the, most of them do come with the filling. Yeah, the refillable cartridge. Looks like just a universal refillable cartridge. Yep. And there it is. Wow, this is nice. Oh, I'm excited. And my daughter's going to be mad because I'm getting all these nice pens. I have I have two Benus come in. One is the Jolly Roger Pixie, the black one, and then another one that was from Goulet Pens. That's one of their limited edition coffee versions. Yeah, that's coming. So I got some things coming. Okay, so this is Conklin, which I do have two other Conklins. So, and I wasn't super impressed with the way that they write. So this one I'm not as excited about as the Monteverdes, but let me grab them and we will compare what type of Conklin pen this is versus these two. So these are the two that I received recently. They're not expensive at all. One was like $40, one was $60. Obviously this one was the 40, this one was the 60. And I wasn't super excited about how they wrote. They seemed to like put down so much ink, even with the size nibs that I got. This is a fine. They put down so much ink that it was wicking. And I get it. It's not like the perfect paper that I was writing on for test purposes, but I didn't feel like they should have been wicking that much. And then this is also a fine. So they were both a fine nib. They're very beautiful pens though, gorgeous pens. But those two right there they're not expensive though. So I'm not like super distraught over it, but let's see what this one is. Well, this one's completely different. So now I have three completely different Conklin pens. So it says Courage, and it's got like a little heartbeat on it, which is kind of perfect for me because I'm in the medical field. And then this says Conklin, Toledo, Ohio, All-American Limited Edition. And then it's got the medical thing on it. Oh my goodness, could this not be any more perfect? And this is a ballpoint. It's a ballpoint pen. So this actually is a pretty good pen for work. I will test them. I will see, but I love that. This is very, I might, because my husband uses ballpoint pen at work and he's a nurse. I might give this to him. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, it just seems like it was meant to be, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, look at that. It's got the medical symbol on the clip. It's just beautiful pen. And I do remember them saying something about there being the possibility of ballpoint pen in here. Like there was different types of pens. And then this one, let's see what this one is. Here's the other Monteverde. This one's not really my style. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to think of this. It's interesting. That's for sure. They only made 900 of them. What type of pen is this? It's another ballpoint pen. Heavy. It's a super heavy ballpoint pen. A rollerball? Probably a rollerball pen. And I'm sure that they are refillable, but I'm not going to try to take them apart because I will probably break something. This is a very heavy pen though. Oh, it's magnet. Look at that. It's magnetized. Come on. Wow. I could totally annoy everybody at work with that. Oh my gosh, that is really cool. Now it just went up a level. The magnet just made it go up a level. Oh, I like that. That is really cool. Okay, so there are the three pens from the Yafa blind box from Atlas Stationers. So if you guys have ever gotten one of these boxes before, or what do you think? Is it worth your time and energy to go looking for them? I will put the price up on the screen because I've bought a couple of things lately and I can't remember how much this one was. I want to say $145 for this box, but I'm not 100% sure. But I will put the price here on the screen for you so that you know how much this particular one was. I don't know if whenever they do these boxes, they're always the same price. It was an email that I got saying that they had this. So if you're not subscribed for their email list and you want to be informed when they have stuff like this, the email list is probably the best place to do it because it's not like just sitting on the front page when you hop onto Atlas. You have to actually like it, and if you click on the link in the email, it'll take you right to the page where the boxes are. So anyways, that is everything that I have for you now. I'm not going to ink this guy up yet. Oh wait, I lied. I said I was going to do a pen test. So let me ink this one up. I got to figure out what color I want because I'm going to be very picky about what color is in here. And then we'll do our little writing sample. So just give me 1 second and we'll finish this out so that you can actually see how this one writes. Okay, so I decided to go away, do all of this, and get you some prices so that way that you'll have them here and I don't have to go back and add them later. So I did do a little bit of a pen test just to kind of show you what I was talking about with the Conklin. So this one right here is this one. Now this is what I got in Elasta, and there should be, I think it's going to be on the haul video, so you'll see this long before that haul video because that haul video is like almost 2 months away. But this is what this one looks like. And you can see it lays down so much ink that it's wicking. And this particular book right here is an old Hobonichi cousin, so the paper is the good paper. See, it doesn't even bleed through on the other side, but it is not even really any ghosting on the other side. But look at how much ink, so much so that it's wicking on this paper of all paper. So I don't know what the problem is with this pen, why it lays down so much ink. So I'll probably clean it out and try a different ink, maybe a drier ink, and see if that works better because it writes nice. And the thing that I like about it is this particular ink, which is that Lantern Crossing, is one of the Halloween inks that I wanted. It has a shimmer to it. It's got a beautiful gold shimmer in there, and you can see the shimmer. I can see it. I don't know if it's picking up on there or not. And then the other Conklin, this amber Conklin right here, this one has the Ferris Wheel Press Whispers of Twilight, and it skips like crazy. So I don't know if I just need to write with it a whole lot. So it either lays down a ton of ink or like no ink. That's what I mean by skipping. It's just not flowing very well. So again, I'll probably just try to write like a whole page with this pen and see if I can get it to stop doing that. But to be fair, this one was like $40 and this one was like $60. So they're not like super high high costing pens, but that'll give you an idea of the Conklins. So then this is the right here, the All American with the medical stuff on it, and it's called the Courage pen in graphite. This one I found, I didn't find it on the Atlas Stationers because they're out of it. Like it's not in stock anymore, but it was $45 on another website. I think it was Goulet. Then the Monteverdi, I cannot stop playing with this pen, guys. It's like having a fidget toy. I just can't stop. And by accident, because I set the cap down and this together, and they just went, whee! It's like magnetic on both sides. This is a cool pen, like a really cool pen. So, and it's the most expensive pen in the box. The Monteverdi Regatta Mondrian sounds like it's probably like has something to do with ships and sailing and stuff, I'm guessing. It's the regatta thing has got me thinking that. So this is the roller bottle gunmetal trim Broadway limited edition. This one was $100 on the Atlas Stationer's website. And then the Monteverdi, this one here, this is how it looks right here. I wrote out the pen, and then I filled it with the Robert Oster Coffee Monsters Co. Day to Night because I thought that color looked really nice in this pen. So I decided to put that in there. It wrote beautifully. This is an extra fine though. So for an extra fine, it's a pretty thick line for an extra fine nib, but it is a Western nib. So I guess that one goes for $72. My cost for the box was $130, and the total amount when you put it all together was $217 retail. So definitely worth it money-wise if you want one of each type of pen. But if you're hoping to get this particular box and get like 3 fountain pens, I don't think so. I think that they are clearing out, like I said, if you read the description on the Yafa box on the Atlas website, and they are still available. I checked when I was looking at this, they're still there. I think the point is to give you one of each. So you're going to get, I don't think it's going to be these because it says right on the website, no 2 boxes are going to be the same. So you'll get 3 pens, a rollerball, fountain pen, and I can't think of the word right now. Ballpoint. Oh my gosh. Ballpoint, rollerball, and a fountain pen. So I think you'll get one of each. And then your cost is $130. And then the retail for this particular box was $217. So with this one being the most expensive pen in there. So anyways, I think it's a really good deal. I had a good time opening it up. I hope you guys did too. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. You want to just chat, leave all that stuff down below. Give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will be able to do a little bit better, bigger unboxings for some stuff soon, because I do have a few of the actual sticker advents coming. So I'm really excited. I can't wait for them to get here, but we will do some full unboxings of those as well. So I do have some other mystery stuff coming. I've got a couple other pen ones coming that we can do soon. Yeah, I've got some stuff. I've been kind of early Christmas shopping. I am going to give this one to my husband because I think he would really love it, and I think it fits him well. He is in the medical field, and this is a very medical pen, so I think he would absolutely love it. That one I'm keeping because I can't stop playing with it. And this one I'm going to be using right now in the month of October so that I can write with this particular ink, because I don't have anything currently inked in the day to night. And I think it goes really well with my October kits. So anyways, again, ending this video again. I'm sorry. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.